Alam niyo ba na may hidden spot dito sa Pampanga na may pool na bukas 24/7 at rooms good for the whole family or barkada? Tara, samahan niyo ako as Aya explores Hanintown Hotel and Pool of Villas. This day, we booked a 3-bedroom villa with its own gaming room. It's good for up to 6 persons and kung may extra kayong kasama, just pay additional na lang per head. Sa baba, meron kang gaming table na pwedeng gamitin pang kainan or bonding spot. May area for chill nights, tapos kompleto pa with a kitchen space. So, pwede kayo magluto or mag-prepare ng sariling food. And here's the first bedroom, cozy with its own queen-size bed and TV. Ang special part, may balcony access through a big glass door. Perfect kung gusto mong magpahangin or enjoy the view right outside your room. And mga beses, meron pang dalawang malalaking bedrooms upstairs and each bedroom meron silang sariling staircases for added privacy. Each has a spacious layout with queen-size bed, ideal for winding down after a full day. Meron ding bathroom with complete amenities, toiletries, fresh towels, at room slippers. At syempre ang highlight, pool is open 24 hours. Imagine morning dips or late night swimming with friends and family anytime you want. Meron din silang restaurant with a deck upstairs para sa meals with a view. And bonus pa guys ha, may free foot or body massage, pa-schedule ka lang during your stay. Kaya kung gusto mo ng sulit pero quality staycation in Pampanga, I highly recommend Hanintown Hotel and Pool Villas.